Breakfast tacos on the Blackstone. Let's get it. Like every great breakfast, we're gonna get started with some bacon. Also have some meat left over for some ribs we ate last night, so I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna chop this up a little bit so it fits in the tacos. You guys hear about the new Velcro they have at the hardware store? Yeah, it's a ripoff. Let's get this bacon flipped over so it can get nice and crispy. Now that the meat's done, I'm going to toast up our taco shells in the bacon grease. And I'm also going to get the eggs cooked. I cracked 4 eggs, whisked them together, and now we're gonna pour them on and scramble them up. Once the eggs are almost done cooking, you add your salt and pepper. Anything I'm cooking with today you can find by looking in the description and clicking on my link tree and then the Amazon storefront link. I call this the food shovel. It's a quick way to get stuff off the griddle really fast. I'm gonna flip these tortillas while you have a chance to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. While the tortillas are finishing up, I'm gonna chop up the bacon a little bit more. Now it's time for cheese. Use whatever your favorite cheese is. Next, I'm gonna add my eggs. A little bit of bacon. Some of those ribs. And some green onions to garnish. Let me bring you in for a closer look. With them in the stand, you can add your favorite hot sauce or some maple syrup. This is a bourbon maple syrup. Or you can even do both. Let's eat, y'all. We just finished eating and I knew I had to come back and tell you more. That was hands down one of the best meals I've ever fixed on the Blackstone. And I think it was largely in part to the syrup and the hot sauce that I used. So I wanted to show them to you a little bit more in depth now. So this is the Crown Maple Syrup. It's a bourbon barrel aged syrup. I'm not sponsored by them. I saw it in another video that I was watching from another cook and they highlighted it, so I purchased it on Amazon. I also have the Tabasco Chipotle sauce. I've always liked this. I've used it on everything even before I started making cooking videos. I'll make sure that I link both of them in the Amazon storefront, so go to my description, click the link tree, and you'll get right to it. Hope you guys have a great day.